Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have my Azure order that I just picked up for May. I have a case here of the pear slices in the pear juice, and of course they're organic and they were a great price. So I went ahead and got a case of those. I guess that's like 12 cans. It's just good to have some backup fruit. Sometimes the fruit's a little wonky here in Michigan, I feel like. For some of our things, and it's just nice to have some food on hand. So here is most of my order. I have some chicken feed bags in the trunk that I didn't bring in because we were tuckered out. Got my garlic powder there that I needed a refill because I throw that in just about anything. And then I got the Azure crushed tomatoes with a little bit of basil. I just got one big can of those, and then I got a set of 3 of this organic crushed tomato, which does not have the basil added, so that way you can add it to whatever and season it yourself. I got my next vanilla because I'm running low on that, and that was super tasty. I should just make my own, but I got some lemon juice just to have on hand. I'm going to try to do some canning with my Nesco canner. And then my husband put these in our cart, this Alexandra Family Farm, the grass-fed milk. We wanted to try that out, so we got a milk and some other things you'll see here in a minute. I got a set of 3 of the whole kernel corn, just good for corn puddings and things like that. We got some heavy whipping cream from that same company, so wanted to try that out. We do have some milk sensitivities in our family, so I got some yogurt as well. I know I'm sensitive to certain yogurts, so we'll try that out and see if it works. He also put in some raw Brazil nuts, and we had gotten those from, I think it was Whole Foods, and they were really tasty, so we're going to try out Azure's. I got my next supply of golden raisins. I like to keep these on hand to throw in salads and certain sort of quick curry. We're going to try this strawberry ice cream. The guy at our pickup thing said he likes the coffee one, so we'll have to try that next time. You can learn things going to pick up your order. And I got some rose soap here for the Dr. Bronner soap. These are so much cheaper to buy this and to fill up your foaming hand soaps. And I throw it in the laundry. I do all sorts of things with it. So I got in the frozen department here, my Stacy's Organic. I'm going to try the 8-inch ones this time. So I got a set of 3. And then these sounded tasty. Beef and cheddar hickory smoked sausage. I love smoked sausage. Not a big hot dog person, but I do like a good smoked sausage. So we'll try those out. And for my cheese this month, I got the case of 12, I believe it is, of the sharp cheddar. Also, we like to buy a case of this brown crisp cereal. It's good on our tummies and easy to chew with all my dental work. And we also had 3 bags of poultry mash and 1 bag of scratch and pack feed that we got for our chickens because they have a really good price there on Azure, though they're heavy when you go to pick them up. So that was our order for this month. And yeah, that is about it. So a lot of things that we have gotten in the past that we're just restocking, and then some things that we're trying that are new. Like the lemon juice I got specifically for potentially doing some canning, and then trying out some of those Alexandra brand of milk, seeing if that's easier on the stomach. But anyways, we wanted to try those things out. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.